Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So, here is green color, here is pink color, here is red color, here is yellow color, blue color, purple color, parrot color, and the last one is sky blue color. Now let's color the snake. What sound does a snake make? A snake says How many snakes can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 snakes, as you can see here.